Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nair Mentions. Before getting into the video, do the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me this Lotus Botanicals Bio-Retinol Youth Radiance Ultra Cream. Lotus Botanicals is a part of Lotus Herbals, and just the fact is that the products of Lotus Botanicals are plant-based, they are vegan, they are cruelty-free, they are paraben-free, and they are mineral oil-free. This cream will improve your skin's elasticity and boost collagen. This has no preservatives and no toxic chemicals. Mid-20s or early 30s is the time when you should start using retinols, because this is the time when your skin starts showing the early signs of aging, like wrinkles around the corner of your eyes or slight wrinkles on your forehead. This is the time when these wrinkles kind of form. So you should use something that has retinol, which will help in reducing and removing your early signs of aging. This product says reduce, restore and rejuvenate. You can reduce your wrinkles and fine lines with Lotus Botanicals Bio-Retinol Youth Radiance Cream. You can restore your glow with this cream, and you can rejuvenate your dull skin by using this cream. This has natural plant-based vitamin A derivative. There are a lot of products available in the market that have retinols, but this one has bio-retinol, which makes it very different. This tackles the early signs of aging, corrects pigmentation, and this also fights breakouts. Most importantly, this improves your skin's elasticity and firmness, and not to forget, gives your skin that brighter glow. This has an SPF of 25 PA+++. The packaging of this is very nice and very unique. If you can see, this is like this, and inside we have the main product. This is a glass bottle, so please be careful. Upon opening, this is the cream. This has a very nice and mild flowery kind of a fragrance, and the fragrance is very nice and very a soft kind of a fragrance. And I'll show you. This is the texture. This absorbs very easily on skin, if you can see. Oh, the fragrance is amazing. So let's quickly see a demo of this. So yes, as you saw, this absorbs quite easily. So I think this is the power packed skincare product from the brand Lotus Botanicals. I would definitely ask you to give this a try. Yes, so do give this cream a try, and this is for all skin types, and especially if you are in the age bracket of mid-20s to early 30s or late 30s, you should start using this cream, because this will help in reducing your early signs of aging. And also, if you have pigmentation, and if you have any age group and if you have pigmentation, you can also use this. This will help in reducing your pigmentation as well. So that was it. I will see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.